This episode is brought to you by the new 2026 Hummingbird Spot Desk Calendar, featuring photographs chosen by our Hummingbird Spot community. Grab yours below. Bon appetit. We're in the parking lot of an apartment complex, and the people who live here hang feeders, so of course they're attracting lots of hummingbirds to the greenery around here. We spotted a beautiful little female ruby-throated hummingbird enjoying her warm winter destination. There was also a female Azure-crowned hummingbird, which was the first bird I photographed on my very first photography trip to Honduras. We've got a wedge-tailed saberwing in sight. We're just waiting for him to turn around. This species was named for its long wedge-shaped tail and the typical saber-shaped outer wing feathers typical of all the saberwings. It's mostly a gray and green hummingbird with a slightly decurved black bill. The crown of the adult is iridescent violet, and on a lucky day, the bird might just let you see it. Males and females are similar, and they're found in Mexico, northern Guatemala, Belize, and eastern Honduras.